Hey, I'm Jack, but people call me Heavy because I pick heavy things up and I put heavy things down. And this here is Bully.
I hate it when you call me that. My real name is Dozer. Some people call me Bully because I push things around. Shut up, Heavy.
Anyway, and this here is Scoop.
What's happening, baby?
Hey Scoop, what's the scoop?
The word on the street is we have empty seats. And if we don't get some skilled peeps in the seats to make us move and groove, baby, it doesn't matter what we're capable of. You feel me?
That's right, Scoop. What do people think we are? A gang of transformers? Come on, humans. Take the seat. We'll do all the heavy lifting for you while you get paid the big bucks just to make us move.
With all the heavy civil construction going on across the states, skilled equipment operators are in high demand. If you are a crane operator, front-end loader operator, track hoe operator, motor grader operator, or equipment operator for asphalt paving, we need you. There are immediate openings with well-established construction companies who are looking for you. Reach out to recruiter Kenny Rogers by submitting your resume to the email address on your screen. Kenny will help you find where you fit. Make the move, baby.